No.
Okay, say it, Anderson. Tell Papa what you were saying earlier. Come on, say. Say Happy Father's Day. Come on, Anderson.
Yeah.
Come on, be nice to Papa. That's not very nice. You're hurting Papa's feelings. You're hurting his feelings. Anderson, you're hurting his feelings. Can you at least say hi, Papa?
I'm going.
What are you doing?
I'm going.
You're goofing?
Oh, is that what you were saying? I'm goofing?
Well, yeah, maybe.
Come on, Anderson, say it. We're running out of time here.
No.
Thank you. Okay. Maybe Leighton will say it.
Happy Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Happy Father's Day.
Say it again louder.
Happy Father's Day.
Say it again one more time louder.
Happy Father's
Loud. Anderson, speak up. Can you speak up?
Day. No.
Thank you. Okay. No, thank you, right?
Thank you.
What'd you have for breakfast?
Well,
What'd you have for breakfast? Did you see goats at the at school on Friday?
yeah.
What'd they do?
By the leg.
They bit your leg?
Yeah.
What'd you feed the bunny rabbits?
I feed a carrot.
Really?
I feed them.
Yeah. Did the goats scare you?
And Erica open the gate.
Erica, open the gate. You're right.
Isn't scared people.
Anderson scared people? Who scratched you?
Katie.
That wasn't very nice of her. Did you smack her?
Mhm.
Good job.